not only that, okay, not only was it experimental, but in two out of the five studies that I read that were published at the time, the conclusion of both of those studies was this is not ready for human, for human testing yet.
Right.
And because it had failed all the animal testing.
Right.
And so all of a sudden it's not ready for human testing. But in the meantime, it's being tested on humans. Um, and then we found out later and whatnot, it didn't take that much later, but we want to hide the data and the results for 75 years.